So this video is basically to make you understand that I am going back to YouTube. After I lost my previous YouTube account, I have not been taking YouTube seriously, because to go through the whole process of the 4,000 watch hour and getting monetized again, I'll post whenever I want to post and I just leave it like that. But the thing is, a lot of brands have been DMing me on YouTube. I've been getting a lot of brand DMs, and most of us, we still don't understand the power of our email address till when brands that are not staying in your city or your country start DMing you and sending you emails to come and talk about their brand. And I've not been taking my email so seriously, so unless I'm expecting an email from you, I don't even bother checking the email. So I checked, and I recently even saw a brand just DM me, which is very, very amazing. So I'm making this video to tell you guys that I want to go back to YouTube. And it would be so nice if you guys follow the page, subscribe to the YouTube account, because I'll be doing more of the vlogging, discussing about content, doing podcasts with people to talk about how their experience have been over time. Overall, I'll be posting behind the scene, maybe full behind the scene on YouTube. So please, the handle will be on this video, so you might be seeing it already. You might even be seeing this video on YouTube right now. So you can invite people to follow me on every part of the platform and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, let's see how coming back to YouTube is like. You know, go easy to the create content regularly because you want to make money, but we have to do it. All right, we have to do it. We have to talk about cameras, talk about life, talk about everything in general, just to make sure we are able to teach others what we already know. And as you know me, I'm not this stingy now. Sure, you understand? I'm not this stingy. I show you things as it be. So, yeah.